An electric screwdriver for daily maintenance. It's really convenient to have one set at home. This precision electric screwdriver with electromagnetic torque will automatically stop when tightened. At the same time, it is equipped with 48 common screw bits, which can handle most screws. Built-in strong magnetic, close absorption, easy to pick up screws. 2 forward and reverse buttons, frosted body, better hand feeling, powerful stable motor, electric plus manual in one. Built-in large capacity battery with excellent endurance. Whether for daily maintenance or as a gift, it is very nice.